Teach your girls. Ah, no, not yet. It's not time to eat. What is up, y'all? It's Promise with a C. And I'm back. I'm back. And I got me a special guest. But y'all see by that title, y'all just gonna be cooking with me tonight. Vibing with me tonight. And her, if she really wanna be in the video, she gonna help me make cupcakes. And we're gonna try to make cabbage soup. So let's get to it. You think you can't do it? Y'all, Zah saying she can't do it. Come on, pull it, girl. Get it. Pull it. Strong, strong, strong. Put it in track. Yeah. Yeah. Give me high five. Now pull the rest. You can do it. You just gotta try, okay? Yeah. Good job. Pull it. Pull it. You got it. Yeah. Keep going. See, you can't give up, girl. Pull it. Get it. Pull it. Keep going. We almost done. Pull it. Pull it. So y'all, me and Zai have a knife set from the store. This knife, you cut it with. You can't use this because you gotta be a little bigger. I'm gonna help you, okay? Yeah, you like it? Is it pretty? Look at it. Pretty. Let's open it. Y'all. Teach your girls. Ah, no, not yet. It's not time to eat. Yeah. It's not nasty when you eat it. It's nasty. Yeah. Because it's not done. We got to cook it. So, y'all, this is a knife set. And we going to use this one. Okay, you ready, Zah? We didn't cut the corn on the cutting board, but don't do that. Get a cutting board like we about to do and cut your stuff. Yeah. Say yeah, green. Cutting board. Yeah. Yeah. It's green. I went ahead and put some honey, y'all, and this is the stuff I was cooking in. So no, the pan's not dirty. So no, it's not dirty. It's a slap your mama. And I'm gonna put a little bit of butter, let them cook up, let the cabbage fry a little, and mix it all together. Some hours to cook. We got gravy for flavoring, beef broth, sausage, beef sausage, potatoes, corn. Gonna let it all shimmer in after the cabbage cooks down. I know this is gonna sound crazy, but make sure you put some sugar. That taste that people love in cabbage, it's sugar. So we got the sugar on there. Y'all, always sample as you go. I accidentally made it too sweet, but that's okay. We're gonna spice it up, add some seasoning. It was still good though. I'm just scared that the soup is gonna fuck it up. I got French vanilla, super moist vanilla cake. I never tried French vanilla, but sounds wonderful. And I'm gonna do a French vanilla blueberry cupcake, and I'm also going to do a cream cheese blueberry frosting on top of it. So that's what I do. About to add the potatoes. Add the potatoes. And this is what we have. This is it. I'm about to let it cook. No, I'm probably about to fall asleep and wake up, but it's done for the most part. Just mix this top layer in and it's done, guys. You see it? Let me show y'all. You see the juice? Yep, the corn. This is how it looks with the fresh blueberries. Now I'm just gonna add like 2 to 4 drops of this. This is it. I don't want it too blue because I want the frosting darker than this. I probably should have added sugar. I don't know why I did that. It might be a little too sweet. It's sweet, but it's good. Sweet, but good. Hold on. That sugar, I'm not feeling it. So I'm gonna put some of this, more cream cheese to bring that cream cheese flavor back. Because I can't even taste the cream cheese. Let's try it. This is what it looks like. You see the blueberry. The epic fail, burnt the bags and made it, but they still good because guess what? Taste over everything. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Making sure your mama, your uncle, your papa, or your granny, you already know the deal. And whoever you believe in, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.